I'm halfway around the planet in a most unlikely place, following my song line past bamboo shacks and shops, behind a jitney packed like sardines with bananas piled on top. I ran away from politics, it's too bizarre at home. Away I flew, tuned into blue, maybe Amsterdam or Rome. Awakened by a stewardess with Spain somewhere below. On the threshold of adventure, God, I do love this job so. So while I make my move on the big board game, up and down that Spanish highway, some things remain the same. Girls meet boys and boys tease girls. I'm heading out this morning for the far side of the world. Oh, I believe in song lines, obvious and not. I've ridden them like camels to some most peculiar spots. They run across the oceans, through mountains and saloons, and tonight out to the desert where I sit atop this dune. I was destined for this vantage point, though it's so far from the sea. I've lived it in the pages of Saint-Exupéry. From Paris to Tunisia, Casablanca to Dakar, I was riding along before I flew through the wind and sand and stars. Caravan, ride that hump, and Timbuktu's a Chilean bump. Sleeping bags and battle flags are coiled and furled. That's the way you travel to the far side of the world. Sunset framed by lightning bolts burns a lasting memory, and a string of tiny twinkling lights adorn the sausage tree. While the embers from the log fire, they flicker, fly, and twirl, then drift off towards the cosmos from the far side of the world. That's Christmas and my birthday, and so to that extent, my side, not the wise men, are circling my tent. I teach them how to play guitar, they show me how to dance. We have rum from the Caribbean and Burgundy from France. New Year's Eve in Zanzibar with Babu and his boys. High up on the rooftop, you can relish all the noise. They're dancing on the tables, people bouncing like gazelles. 201 is ushered in with air raid horns and bells. Time to sing, time to dance, living out my second chance. Cobras and sleeping bags are coiled and curled. That's the way it happens on the far side of the world. Back at home it's afternoon, 6,000 miles away. It will still be there when I get through attending this soiree. There are jobs and chores and questions and plates I'd need to twirl, but tonight I'll take my chances on the far side of the world. Yes, that's the way it happens on the far side of the world. party, but you better get here quick. When you feel like a written off actor on Deadwood, about to get fed to the pigs. When that preacher's bus from hell, blasting just cowbell, parks itself in front of your digs. There's a place you can go called Tierra del Fuego, down in the southern hemisphere. It's kind of Troy without Helen past the Straits of Magellan, and things are always looking up down here. 'Cause there's a party at the end of the world, where the locals do the tango twirl. Forget the temples in Nepal, cancel the fete in Montreal. There's a party at the end of the world. Well, it seems like I've run out of reasons to be here, so I'm just gonna steal from myself. If your attitude's appalling, there's a latitude that's calling. Get yourself past that continental shelf. Now the band that we hired is playing quite inspired, singing Eskimos and eunuchs from Bangkok. And the location so nice we'll never run out of ice, 'cause Antarctica is just around the block. There's a party at the end of the world, where the locals do that tango twirl. Now don't make that big mistake and wind up with Miss Jamaica. There's a party at the end of the world. Flying machines, yellow submarines, French girls and cowboy decor. RSVP is the needed you see, and they'll all just be screaming for more.